Hey everybody, this is Northwell Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to add your EBT card to Walmart. And also, we will put links in the description below for adding Snap EBT card to Amazon and Instacart. So if you have an Amazon account and Instacart account, you can definitely use these links to add your Snap EBT card also to Amazon and Instacart. All right, so for this, to add EBT card to Walmart, you need to go to walmart.com and then click on sign in. And once you click on sign in, you will see an option which says sign in or create account. Go ahead and click on sign in or create account. And once you click on that, you will see a screen like this to log in. And you can just go ahead and enter your email. And once you enter your email, you can click on continue. And once you click on continue, you will see a screen like this. In this case, I'm going to enter my password and click on sign in. And once you sign in, you will see a screen like this. And then click on the account tab on the top right corner. You will see an account tab. Click on account. And then you will see a drop down like this. Then again, click on the icon which says account. And once you're on this screen, on the left-hand side, you will see an icon which says wallet. Go ahead and click on wallet. And once you click on wallet, you will see the payment method screen. And on this screen, click on add new payment method. While we are setting up this, I just want to remind you, you can also use your Snap EBT card on Amazon for groceries. I'll put a link in the description below. Now coming back to this video, alright, now once you are on this screen, you will see an option for electronic benefits transfer. Go ahead and click on electronic benefits transfer. And now you will see a screen where it says add an EBT card. You can just go ahead and enter your first name, last name, and the card number. And once you enter all the information, you can click on Save Card on the right corner of the screen. All right. So once you have entered all the information, you can just click on Save Card. Alright, so that's how you add your EBT card to Walmart. And now that your Snap EBT card is set up for Walmart, remember, you can also use it on Amazon for groceries and more. You can check the link in the description to sign up and use your Snap EBT card on Walmart as well as Instacart. Alright, thank you guys again for watching. And if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Thank you guys. Love you.